Another element in Chime that we've done differently is integrating your MLS experience into your CRM. Your MLS should be interactive with your website. That's a no-brainer. Where we want to add more value into that MLS experience is by combining that data into your CRM so you can do some powerful things like buyer matching and reverse prospecting. I'll show you what I mean by that right now. What we're looking at in this database is our newest listings in this MLS. These are all homes that have been added to this MLS in the last couple hours. They're brand new. Well, what the system has already done for us here is identify the buyers in our database that have similar buying criteria and similar search criteria that they may have set up on your website. So folks that might be looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,200 square foot, $2.3 million home up there in the San Francisco area, well, looks like in our database, we've got 4 buyers that fit that inventory type. So we'll identify which buyers are a good fit for your listings, and then we make it really easy for you to come in and share that listing with your leads, both via email en masse, and my personal favorite, a mass text message to your listings, or to your leads of your listings. So this is what it looks like to send a mass text of your listings to your leads through Chime using buyer matching and reverse prospecting. It's like a property alert. I think about this as a proactive property alert, a manual property alert that leverages text message communication on top of the emails and the auto property alerts that you're also sending through Chime. Under this engagement tab, this is where you can set up your property alerts for your buyers. We have market snapshots for your sellers, and we also have market reports that we can automate to everybody in your database. Since I signed in on the website as a seller here, I have the opportunity to set up a market snapshot for this lead. A market snapshot is almost identical to a property alert, but it's for your sellers. And in Chime, it's an automatic email to your sellers that you can set up to go out daily, instantly, weekly, monthly. You choose the level of proactivity or aggression with that. And then what Chime will do is send out your sold inventory to your sellers, keeping that conversation of, hey, look at all the homes that have sold in your market recently, keeping that thread of thought at the top of your sellers' minds, right? So leveraging MLS inventory and your sold data through automatic emails, that is what a market snapshot should help you do. And by the way, our property alerts function the exact same way. The searches that your website visitors set up on site and the homes that they look at on your website, that should trigger automated property alerts from your system so you can keep driving your website visitors back to your website to look at homes that they may not have seen yet that could potentially be a really good fit for their needs.